I'll show you exactly how to find your Solana wallet address on Binance. It's really simple, so make sure to watch till the end. First, open your Binance application and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in and on the homepage, you'll see an option that says Deposit. Just tap on it. After that, select Deposit Crypto to proceed. Use the search bar at the top and simply type Solana. Once Solana appears in the list, go ahead and tap on it. Next, you'll be asked to choose a network. For this tutorial, we are choosing the Solana network itself, so make sure you select the correct one. After selecting the network, you'll immediately see your Solana deposit address displayed on the screen along with a QR code. If you want, you can scan the QR code to quickly get the address, or you can simply tap the copy icon next to the address and paste it wherever you need, for example, to receive SOL from another wallet or exchange. And that's it. That's how easy it is to find your Solana wallet address on Binance. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.